Hello students, welcome to School Quiz. My name is Pawan Gupta and I am your physics teacher. In this video I am going to discuss the most important topic for term 1 CBSE class 10th. These are the MCQs which I will discuss in this lecture, and one more topic which I left in the previous video. Okay, so we have what we in previous video what we have learned: reflection. What is reflection? Bouncing back of light is called reflection. Okay, for example, if light incident, then it will bounce back in the same medium. This is all about reflection. Then what we learn, what we studied, there is two type of reflection, that is regular reflection and one is irregular reflection. And now we are going to discuss laws of regular reflection in detail. Okay, laws of regular reflection. So there are two type of laws of regular reflection. That is, what is first? There are two type of law of reflection. Okay, what is first type? First type is that angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. देखो, you already know the pattern of CBSE class 10th. Earlier we used to remember the definition, but now we only discuss the topics because all the portion in the question paper we have only MCQ, so there is no need to memorize the definition. That's why I am going to cover the topics in very short and simple way. So please clear your concept so that you can solve the numerical. So you can solve the numerical and MCQ related that topic. Okay, so laws of regular reflection. There are two laws of regular reflection. First law, in what is first law? फर्स्ट लॉ क्या बोलता है हम लोगों से? व्हाट इज फर्स्ट लॉ? फर्स्ट लॉ बोलता है एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस इज इक्वल टू एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन. व्हाट इज I will discuss in detail that if the incident ray, this is incident ray, okay, and when it strike the surface it will bounce back. This is reflected ray. This is our incident ray and this is our reflected ray. Okay, and they make a normal at that point. And what is normal? What do you mean by normal? Suppose this is a surface, and if you make any line, perpendicular to that surface, then all these three lines will be called as normal. Okay, so here we make a perpendicular line to that surface and this line is called normal. So एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस इज इक्वल टू एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन. इसका क्या मतलब है? इसका ये मतलब है कि नॉर्मल से जो ये एंगल आपका बन रहा है और इसी नॉर्मल से जो ये आपका एंगल बन रहा है, दिस एंगल मस्ट बी इक्वल. ओके, इफ दिस एंगल इज 30 डिग्री, then this angle is also 30 degree according to first law of regular reflection. Okay, if this angle is 60 degree, then this to follow the first law, this angle must be 30 degree. Okay, so from first law what we get? Angle of incidence, this is equal to angle of reflection. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. And what is your second law? Second law say that incident ray reflected ray and normal all lies in same plane. इसका क्या मतलब है? इंसिडेंट रे, रिफ्लेक्टेड रे और नॉर्मल एक ही प्लेन में होनी चाहिए. इसका क्या मतलब है? देखो, ये आपका क्या है? देखो, जैसे ये वाइट बोर्ड आपका क्या है? एक प्लेन है, ठीक है. दिस इज अ वन प्लेन. इफ लाइट इंसिडेंट, सपोज दिस इज आवर प्लेन. ओके, इफ लाइट इंसिडेंट इन दिस प्लेन, देन द रिफ्लेक्टेड रे मस्ट बी इन दिस प्लेन. व्हाट इज क्या मतलब है इसका? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दैट? मतलब मान लो आपकी लाइट यहाँ से आ रही है, ठीक है. इफ लाइट रे कम फ्रॉम दिस प्लेन, देन the reflected ray must be in this plane, not that इन रिफ्लेक्टेड रे विल कम आउट ऑफ द प्लेन, और रिफ्लेक्टेड रे आपकी यहाँ से आ जाएगी, ठीक है। ऐसा नहीं होगा, अगर आपकी इंसिडेंट रे इस प्लेन में है तो रिफ्लेक्टेड रे भी इसी प्लेन में होगा, ठीक है। आ रही बात समझ में? देखो जैसे ये आपका प्लेन है, ठीक है, ये आपका प्लेन है, दिस इज अवर प्लेन। इफ इंसिडेंट रे फॉल इन दिस प्लेन देन रिफ्लेक्टेड रे ऑल्सो फॉल इन दिस प्लेन, ओके। ये आपका एक प्लेन है, इंसिडेंट रे, रिफ्लेक्टेड रे और नॉर्मल आपका क्या होना चाहिए, एक ही पॉइंट पे होना चाहिए और एक ही प्लेन में होना चाहिए। दिस इज ऑल अबाउट योर सेकंड लॉ। सो वी आर गोइंग टू एंड अवर द लेक्चर एंड लेट्स मूव टू अवर इंपॉर्टेंट MCQs, ओके। First of all, first MCQs and second MCQs is very this 4 MCQs is very easy, okay. But for better MCQs, for better level, which have the most probability to come in your examination, so please go through our website, that is schoolquiz.com. Here you find the most what we can say that most expected MCQs for your examination, okay. So what is first question, what is first MCQ? If angle of incidence is equal to 30 degree, then what is angle of reflection? Recently we have studied that if angle of incident is equal to what we read according to first law, what we have read, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. If angle of incident is equal to 30 degree, then angle of reflection, angle of incidence is always equal to angle of reflection, and if it is 30 degree, then angle of reflection will also be 30 degree. So the right answer is 1, okay. What is our second MCQ? Rear view mirror used as आपका we have already discussed this topic in very detail, that we for example in a vehicle or motorcycle we use the mirror, side mirror. This is all about rear mirror. This mirror also we say rear mirror, okay, side mirror or rear mirror. So which mirror we use? We know that we cannot use plane mirror because the size of plane mirror is because the size of mirror which we use in vehicle is very small, and if we use plane mirror, then only we get to see only the headlight of car, not whole portion of the road. So how we will see the whole traffic? So we cannot use plane mirror, okay. And if we don't know about cylindrical mirror, we have not read, so I think cylindrical mirror is not in our topic, so we not think about cylindrical mirror. We have only two options. This will get cancelled, this is cancelled, concave mirror and convex mirror. And we know that convex mirror is look like that, and in this mirror, this is what, this is curved outside. Convex mirror, we know both, this is concave mirror, this is concave mirror, and this is convex mirror, and this mirror is curved outside. And to get the view of behind more, we will use what? Convex mirror, which have greater surface, that's why we use convex mirror, okay. Our next MCQ is light travel fastest in glass, diamond, water, air. So अब इसका आंसर आप लोग ऐसे डिसाइड करना कि देखो, जैसे we know that water is denser, glass is denser, and diamond is also denser, because देखो if any particle want to move, then if the molecules are very far from one another, then that particle are free to move and it will move faster. So if light travel in a very what we say rarer medium, then it will travel very faster. So in this 4 option, the most rarer medium is air, so light travel fastest in air, okay. नेक्स्ट लॉज ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन होल्ड गुड फॉर, अभी हम लोगों ने पढ़ा जस्ट नाउ, वी हैव रेड लॉज ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन. सो व्हाट इज आस्किंग, लॉज ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन इन चारों में से किसके लिए सही होगा, ठीक है. तो व्हाट इज योर ऑप्शन? प्लेन मिरर, बिल्कुल दिस इज ट्रू. कनकेव मिरर इज ऑल्सो ट्रू, कन्वेक्स मिरर इज ऑल्सो ट्रू. सो लॉज ऑफ मिरर होल्ड्स गुड फॉर ऑल मिरर, ओके. सो आई हैव डन द टॉपिक, cover some MCQ portion. So thank you watching for this videos for numericals and more MCQs. Please go through our website schoolquiz.com. okay.